And in some national news, the Ministry of External Affairs has rejected US State Department's report on alleged human rights abuses in India and called it deeply biased. Addressing a press conference, MEA spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said that the report is deeply biased and reflected poor understanding of India. According to Times of India report, earlier this week, US Department released a report alleging significant human rights abuses in Manipur after the outbreak of Manipur violence since May 3rd last year. In its annual report of the State Department, which is mandated by the US Congress, it mentioned the conflict in Manipur has resulted in significant human rights abuses. It said the media reported at least 175 persons killed and more than 60,000 displaced between May and November 15th. However, India has previously criticized the US for releasing reports on human rights and religious freedoms based on misinformation and flawed understanding.